Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. This is your Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I am Dhawan, who's going to create a delicious treat in which Mexico comes to India. We are making rodza, which is Indian style quesadilla. So let's start cooking. To prepare the roadside recipe, first we'll make the paratha dough. For that, I'm going to take refined flour. I'm going to add wheat flour, baking powder and salt. First mix all together. I'm going to add some warm water and start mixing the dough. Again, I'm going to add little water from the sides and bring it all together. While the dough is resting, let's prepare our stuffing. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. Add oil. As the oil is hot, I'm going to add chopped ginger garlic. Saute it for a few minutes. Now at this stage, I'm going to add onion slices and cook till the color of the onion starts to change. As the color of the onion has started to change, I'm going to add the chicken now. I'm going to add julienne of chicken. As the color of the chicken turns to white, I'm going to add fresh jalapenos, followed by chopped tomato and cook till tomato turns soft. The tomato have turned soft and mushy. At this stage, I'm going to add julienne of capsicum, followed by sliced mushroom. Give it a nice mix. At this stage, I'll start adding seasoning. For that, first I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, crushed cumin seeds, coriander powder, black pepper powder, chicken masala, kasuri methi and salt. Now we'll mix all this together. I have added little salt to the filling because I'm going to add cheese at the end, which will also have salt. At this stage, making sure the masala doesn't get burned, I'm going to add little water. Cook till rawness of the masala is gone. As the stuffing is almost ready, I'm going to add spinach. And to increase the heat, I'm going to add little Tabasco. Cook it nicely. Let the spinach wilter. Now to add little flavor, I'm going to add fresh coriander, followed by some fresh cream. Mix it nicely. The filling is ready. Let me add little queso, which is cheese in Mexican. Our stuffing is ready. Let me pass it into a bowl for cooling. So guys, our queso chicken filling is now ready, which is Indian cheese filling. Now we'll make our paratha. For that, I'm going to take a dough. Make separate ball of doughs for paratha. First, we'll dust the flour on the surface. Take one ball, press it with the palm, add a little more flour. Nicely rub it on the surface. Now let's roll it into a nice fine paratha. Make sure the edges are thin. This should be the thickness of the paratha. So in a plate, dust some flour, take your paratha and place it on the plate and make some more paratha like this, and then we'll start cooking. We have rolled out the parathas and our stuffing is ready. Let's start cooking the parathas. The tawa is hot. Keep the pan on medium heat and place the paratha. Once the paratha starts to cook, we'll see small bubbles forming on it. It means you can turn the side now and cook it for a few minutes. At this stage, paratha is 50% cooked. As you can see, it starts puff up. At this stage, again I'm going to turn the side and cook till it is 60% cooked. Transfer it into a plate and follow the same for another paratha. If you plan to store it, you can cook it 50% and let it cool and then keep it in the freezer. Or if you plan to use it more, then you can keep it in a cloth which will keep it soft and moist. Guys, the paratha is ready. Let's start making the quesadilla. First, I'm going to spread some mint mayo on the paratha. With this, I'm going to place the filling. I'm going to add some queso, means cheese on top. Close it. Press the paratha on all sides. Switch on the tawa and place it on top of it. And follow the same for the second. Let's turn the side. I'm going to apply a little oil. We'll apply oil on the second side and cook it for 1 minute, and our quesadilla will be ready to be served. And there you go, guys, our Indian style quesadilla, the rotsa, is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do share your love in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and keep cooking.